Welcome back to the world of trucks on a chilly day in Lima, Ohio. I'm Claude Wood, and every make and model out there, including some great-looking vans. Take a look at this gorgeous 1992 Ford Aerostar that's owned by Terry Sy. All right, first of all, why an Astro van?
Well, we haven't seen any other ones built other than the Bigfoot one years ago, and that gave us the idea. And then after going through all the shows and the jamborees year after year, we had bought the van new, and we had the pickup truck, so we wanted something different. So we evolved into the minivan series and just kept jacking it up, and this is where we're at right now.
What's the deal with all those models back there?
Some of them are signed by the drivers that owned the trucks, and my child was into it and has grown up around it, so that's why we have the little series in them, of what you see back there.
I saw a NASCAR type net there. You really need that?
Possibly not, but it all looks good.
All right, take me through the truck. Let's start with the power plant.
Okay, the power plant is a Chevrolet 350 block, and then we had the drag racing in our state built the motor for us, and it's actually a 383 stroker motor. It runs about 500 horsepower. It is a carbureted engine, and it runs the MSD ignition. It is a 350 turbo automatic with a 3,500 RPM stall converter, and then it drops down into a Ford 205 gear-driven transfer case into Ford one-ton axles. It has the hydraulic power steering in the front like a monster truck, and then it's got all the Rancho suspension underneath it, the shocks and all that, and then the other stuff is for cosmetics looks, bright colors and all that.
Interior looks great.
The interior we left pretty basically stock. We didn't really want to mess up, by cutting it all up and all that, but we tried to keep it look more, the Ford Aerostar look, and it turned out pretty good.
Any idea, after all this work, how much time have you spent on this thing?
Probably 5,000 hours, something like that. Just a lot of hours, trial and error to get it to look this good. And we keep working on it all the time. In between shows, we work on it and paint it up and color it and, dress it up, make it look good.
And money-wise, you've probably thrown away all the receipts.
I have a lot of the receipts, but yeah, there's some we don't have. There is a lot of money in it.
Well, it's certainly different, and you're to be congratulated for bringing it out. Thanks for bringing it out today. Meanwhile, back at the Burnout contest in his 99 Ford F-150, this is Everett Mowery from right here in Lima.
And he was concentrating on either the speedometer or the tachometer. And he's going to have to get some smoke up. Don't hear much noise from the crowd. You get one tire going. I can't even see if he has smoke coming off the other tire. It must be. There's some smoke coming underneath there. Now we're starting to move something. No, Clyde, I don't think he's as good as some of the others.
A valiant effort, and Rick, according to the rules, you must use an automatic transmission. Of course, it would be a little easier if that were a stick shift. Well, that will bring up Astor Mullins from Bloomville, Ohio, an 88 Caddy limousine. Are you kidding me?
Well, he must have it on some type of different chassis. It's got 8-lug pattern on the back, and the most unique car, that's about it.
Certainly different. It's time now for Product Highlight, which features some of the most interesting and innovative aftermarket products for your truck. Now, here's Bill Stevens.
Hey, on this Product Highlight, we want to talk about one of America's favorite pastimes, and that's tailgating. If you've been to any major league sport, out in the parking lot hours before the event begins, whether it's a ball game or an automobile race, people are tailgating. They're pulling out the coolers with the brewskis and the barbecue grills and having a great time. Well, the people from Freedom Grill have a terrific and clever way to go tailgating. Scott Salter is with Freedom Grill. Tell us about this amazing rig here.
Sure thing. We have created the ultimate tailgating grill. It goes in the 2-inch receiver hitch. Virtually any vehicle, truck, SUV, that can have a hitch attached to it. Our product goes into that hitch. You drive with it on. A lot of folks don't realize you actually drive with it outside the vehicle. With the new vehicles that are coming out today, they're more and more expensive. They're putting in the third row seats. There's less space. And who really wants to put a greasy, smelly grill in the back of a $30,000 or $40,000 SUV? So we've created the ultimate tailgating grill that enables people to be able to put it outside their vehicle, drive to the game, swing it out, cook on it, swing it back closed, drive home, and then take it off and put it on the backyard stand, which we include with the package. So it's not only a tailgating grill, it's their home grill as well.
Now, how much would something like this cost?
These retail for $799. That's an all stainless steel grill, the arm assembly, and the backyard stand, weatherproof cover, all in.
Hey, no wonder Freedom Grill calls itself the official grill of tailgating. And I only have one thing to say after that. Let's party.
World of Trucks is being brought to you by Jet Rack, the world's best interior sliding rail ladder rack system. And by Street Shades by Rosen, visual solutions for complex environments.